This is a review of the Ivation mini dehumidifier. It's a powerful small-size thermoelectric dehumidifier. Inside the box, you'll find the mini dehumidifier itself, and you can see from my hand how small it is. You'll find an instruction manual and a AC power supply adapter. The AC power supply adapter operates on 100 to 240 volts AC and 50 to 60 hertz. It is also UL approved. Its output is 9 volts DC at 2.5 amps. The cable on it that you see here is 6 feet long or 72 inches. This unit uses a solid state Peltier element to remove the moisture from the air. A Peltier is a device that passes current through it. One side of it gets hot, the other side gets cool. What this device is doing is using a very small fan that's pulling the warmer, moist air from the room into the front, pulling it across the Peltier element, which is cool, and the moisture in the air is condensing on the heatsink and dripping down into this reservoir. This device can remove 8 ounces of liquid water per day out of a room that's approximately 11 by 11 by 8 feet tall. So that's 1,100 square feet. That makes this ideal for use in a closet, a small bedroom, for example, and it would help reduce the humidity to protect from mold and mildew and make the room more comfortable. Front here, you'll see the off-on switch. When you turn this on, it remains on all the time. There's no humidistat to force it to go off and on. You'll have an on LED here. You can see it's green. And then you have a full LED, and the full LED will come on when the water tank is full. Pull this water tank out. You can see a little handle here. You pull that out. You see the on light came off. So the unit's not running now. Inside of here, you'll see the port where the humidity will drip down off the cooling heatsink down in here and be captured in the reservoir. This will hold 16 ounces, but it's recommended that you empty it daily. When you empty it, it has a pop-up plug here in the corner that you can pull up, pour the water out of, pour it into a sink or into a toilet. Make sure that your pets don't drink it, as it's not potable water. It contains the bacteria and dirt from the air. Here you'll see a small button that will come up when the tank is full. Inside of this chamber here are 2 micro switches. One of them touches this right here and will turn off the unit when the tank is full. The other one touches this and tells when the tank is put into place, and when it's put into place, you'll see that it will automatically come back on. And you can see the LED came on green. Back side here, you'll see the input plug from the AC power supply that plugs in the wall. It does feature a removable and washable air filter. It's located here at the top, and if you pop this up, you'll see the filter here. I'm a little surprised that it's on this side. This is the outlet air, that's the dry air, and then this here is the inlet side. I would think that the filter would be on the inlet side to keep the dust from getting mixed into the internal heat sink, which you can see down here. This is an aluminum block that's being cooled, and the air is being drawn across it, and the moisture is being condensed out of it. Nice size unit. Like I said, it will take the humidity out of a room that's roughly 11 by 11 feet with an 8-foot high ceiling and do a good job of it. It is quite quiet even though it has a fan. It's a very small fan, and it's more like a computer fan, so it's not using a lot of power and it's not making a lot of noise. So it's like a very low white noise in the background. This is a good device and it works well. Rated it at 5 stars. This review is done by JJ CEO. I'd like to tell you that I received a sample for test and evaluation, and I didn't promise a review, but I promised if I gave one, it would be fair and honest.